Hi guys, in this video I am upgrading my Duke 390 stock suspension to an Xpulse monoshock. So the current ground clearance with this stock suspension is 4.7 inches, and this is with a full size person sitting on top of the bike. So the Xpulse monoshock is also made by the same company who makes monoshocks for the KTMs. The company is called Endurance. And this is a plug and play upgrade. You don't have to make any modifications to it. Just remove the stock one and you can install the Xpulse monoshock. So the reason I'm upgrading is I feel the stock suspension does not have good travel and rebound. Also, my bike has very less ground clearance, and if I'm carrying a person, the bottom keeps bashing into humps. And I picked up this Xpulse monoshock from Facebook Marketplace for very cheap. I paid 1.4K, 1400, and the guy I purchased it from had installed rally suspension on his Xpulse. He was planning a trip to Ladakh, and he was selling off this stock suspension. And this Xpulse monoshock has good rebound and a little bit of more travel. So here's how the bike looks after installing the Xpulse monoshock. The ground clearance is definitely increased. The bike has become a little bit more taller. I would say 1.5 inches taller, and it looks amazing. And you can see the rebound, the suspension travel is way better than the stock one. That's actually my friend riding my bike. So the ground clearance is almost increased by an inch, and that's me testing out the new monoshock. The compression, the rebound, it's amazing. It's way better than the stock suspension. Here's how it looks. And I've also slightly lowered my front forks by almost half an inch just to compensate the height. And here's my old monoshock. Here's how it looks. The spring on the Xpulse monoshock, they do look a little bit beefier than the stock one. And I've been riding my bike for a while, and I mean it's running great. The rebound is wonderful, way better than the stock suspension. So that is all. I hope my video helped. If you guys are looking for an upgrade for your Duke 390 suspension, you can definitely go for this. Thank you. Have a good day.